For many years, I dreamt of turning 25, but never did I ever think I'd be spending my birthday in quarantine.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to my girl! Cheers!
Thank you to my amazing friends and family that made this day so special for me. This was truly a birthday to remember.
Good morning! Today is my 25th birthday! I was woken up by so many sweet messages, so thank you to everyone who said happy birthday today. It is a beautiful sunny day, and even though I'm in quarantine, I'm very excited to celebrate my birthday. I'm gonna start off by getting dressed, getting ready, doing my hair and makeup, and then I have my first conference call of the day. I'm still working from home, it's a Thursday, but I'm hoping to sprinkle in some birthday festivities throughout the day. What should I wear for quarantine today? I was thinking about putting on some jeans instead of sweatpants. I will wear this and these. Now that I'm dressed, time to do some hair and makeup. It's been a few days. Hello.
Hi, Rich. Happy birthday!
Hi, Nana. Thank you for calling.
You work. This door for you. You know you work. I want to say happy birthday, you know?
Yeah, thank you. Hey, how's it going? Good, thanks. Yeah, it's been a good day so far. Hi, Julia. Did she just wake up from a nap?
What are you doing, Cousin Rachel?
She's so cute. I'm gonna make brunch. I just finished my conference calls for the morning. Had 3 different calls. Got myself ready for the day, and now I'm gonna make brunch.
Let's see your pants.
I'm wearing jeans.
Oh, wow. You did the head to toe look.
You know, I figured it's my birthday, might as well. Oh,
Feels
she's
good.
so cute. Hi, Julia. This morning has already flown by. I had 3 conference calls, and in between I've been on FaceTime with my family. So I'm finally getting around to eating and having my coffee. I made a delicious brunch and I'm so excited. It's my birthday, I gotta treat myself today. So this is the brunch menu. So I made avocado toast and a sunny side up egg. This is how I like my eggs. And I actually cooked it perfectly, so birthday luck today. And then I actually added some potato wedges that I think just makes this more hearty and like a brunch. So I'm gonna enjoy and take a bit of a break. Yesterday, it feels like I worked all day because I did. And I wanted to get as much of my work done yesterday that I could in preparation for today, so that today I can relax a little bit more and enjoy my birthday. So that is the added bonus of, you know, working from home and kind of having a little more flexibility to my schedule. So now I'm gonna sit and enjoy my coffee and my brunch. I was actually gonna make whipped coffee because I'm obsessed, but it's so much sugar and I know that I'm gonna be eating a lot of sugar today, so I thought let's keep with just regular coffee and then I can enjoy my treats later. I'm all finished lunch and I've been sitting on the couch just on my computer for a little bit. I was playing with, I don't know if I should show you, playing with some nail polishes, just kind of coming up with the next design. And this one is a sponsored post, so sent in my concept for review. And just feeling so loved on my birthday, getting different FaceTime calls from family and text messages, and it's just been so sweet. So I'm just getting ready and taking a little bit of a breather before my next call. Oh, there's my alarm. I have meeting reminders on, but I just wanted to make sure that I had enough time to prep for my next meeting. So it starts in 10 minutes now, and I'm just having a nice day. Like, I know I've been alone for the morning, but I don't feel alone because of all of my friends and family that have just made me feel so loved and calling me and checking in on me. And it's been so nice just taking the time, made myself a nice brunch and sitting here in the sunshine, and you know, little things like curling my hair and doing my makeup and getting myself dressed for the day. It makes it feel so much more special. Yesterday, I was actually having a moment of panic where I know birthdays are just numbers and they don't really mean anything, but I was having a moment of kind of, you know, that my age creeping up on me and kind of feeling like I wasn't doing enough. So I pulled my camera and kind of wanted to document some of my thoughts. This is what I was thinking yesterday. So I'm sitting here doing my work. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm turning 25. I've been thinking that this birthday is really no big deal. I'm honestly not a big birthday person. I like to celebrate other people's birthdays, but not necessarily make a huge ordeal out of my own. But I started to just kind of freak out a little bit that 25 is such a big number. And I'm telling myself to not put pressure on myself because I know that age is just a number and the pressure is only being put onto me from me, but I just can't help but feel a little bit of urgency to think, oh my god, I'm 25, I need to accomplish all of my goals ASAP, because I feel like when you're younger, you think by this age, I want to do this, 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 and this, and I'm so proud of all the things that I've accomplished in my life to date. But there's just that part of me that always wants to keep going and running after my dreams and my goals, and just thinking that the 25 milestone, it's just creeping up on me and making me feel just a little bit of pressure, but I'm trying to not overthink it. I think I was just in my head yesterday. 25 was just sounding like a big number, and I was putting unnecessary pressure on myself, but I've kind of relaxed and I just don't want to overthink it. And I'm just enjoying, you know, feeling very fortunate and lucky. And also proud of myself for where I am, because you always got to count your blessings and feel accomplished for yourself. Give yourself credit where credit is due. But just knowing that this is life and everyone has their own journey and you can't compare yourself to other people or even to your own expectations. I was just overthinking. So my boyfriend's coming over in a little bit once he's done his work day, working from home, of course. And I said that I wanted to make my own cake. We're in quarantine. What better activity to do than make your own cake? And I've been really into baking lately. So when I went out for my last grocery shop earlier this week, I got boxed cake mix, and I thought, well, why don't I exercise my baking skills and try to bake something from scratch? But I then saw funfetti cake, and I think you can make funfetti cake on your own. I don't know if there's anything different about it other than just adding sprinkles to it, but then I saw the cake mix and I was like, you know what, let me just get it, but then I'll have fun with decorating it. So I got vanilla icing, whipped. I also have some food coloring. I need to find it. And then I bought Easter chocolate that was on sale, and the Hershey's Eggies are my favorite. So I thought, I don't know, maybe I'll try to decorate it all cute. And I just thought it would be fun. So I'm gonna make a birthday cake. I thought I would have a little bit of kombucha while I wait. for my timer to go off. And I'm putting it in a wine glass because it's my birthday. Cheers. I used to buy this all the time. This is the Rise kombucha, and it is the hibiscus and rose hips flavor. It's my favorite one. Hey!
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
You want me to sing you happy birthday?
No.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Aw, you're the best.
Happy birthday, dear Rachel! Happy birthday
Aw.
to you! Anyway, how's the birthday girl? 25!
Yeah, it's been good. It's been a good day. Look who came with food! Thank you. I'm excited. We got Thai food, but I need to take it out of its packaging to make sure it's clean.
What do we got here?
Oh, samosas.
2 samosas.
Some sauce.
Lots of sauce.
Are there 2 different kinds? Oh, and peanuts. Oh my god, these are huge! This is so heavy. Oh my gosh.
We've got pad thai.
Pad thai, curry, and chicken. Bon appetit. Alright, so cake time. I made this thin layer and then this layer that I'm going to cut in half. And I'm going to put frosting and mini eggs. Where did I put them? I mean Hershey eggies in the middle, like broken up. And I'm going to try to make it like a naked cake covering. Kind of ruined the bottom of this, so I think I'm going to flip it over and use it as the bottom. And see where this will take me. I think I have to cut a bit off.
Performing surgery. I'll eat that part.
Okay, we'll set this aside.
Not bad.
Not bad. I don't know how to do this.
What are you trying to do?
I was gonna cut it in half and use it as layers, but I don't trust myself to cut it straight, so I might just use it as one layer. So now I have a plan. Frosting the middle of the cake. I was gonna make it a fun color.
What are you doing with this thing? Where are you going? What are you doing? Making a sandwich?
Yeah,
Why?
that's how you make a layered cake. What do you mean? Okay, now to base the rest of the cake. Oh, I think there's something called a rough ice or something, where you do the first layer of icing that gets the crumbs. I forget what it's called.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay. Get in there. I feel like it has to sit for a minute. All right, into the fridge. It's heavy. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Rachel.
Oh, this is so fun! A birthday party!
Where's the cake?
It's in the... Oh, let me show you the cake. Vlog's gotta come with me too.
What kind of cake? Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's have a party! This is fun.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Do you have anything else to say? Any words of wisdom?
I know, now we're all 25! Yay!
Oh my God. Very confused.
I was confused by the video chat because I didn't know it was happening. I'm feeling so lucky to have such great people in my life. So backstory to what just happened, because that happened real fast and I didn't really know what was going on. So I was sitting here, Christian and I just finished eating and I was complaining that I was so full. And I was texting my family back because we were talking about something. And then all of a sudden, Christian puts his phone in my face and my friends are on the screen. So they had organized a group chat on House Party and we were playing some games and had a virtual birthday party and I just feel so happy. Thanks, friends and Christian.
Cheers.
Oh, and we had drinks. Cheers!
Birthday to you.
This feels weird.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday birthday to you. Hey. What a quarantine birthday. Happy birthday.
Thanks, family.
Happy birthday to my girl.
Wow.
You get to pick them up soon.
Why did you do that?
Because I love you.
Aww.
We love you.
Oh, that's really cute. Thank you. That's so special.
It is, because it's 25-year birthday.
Aww. Alright. Your big slice because there's no one else here. It is the next day and I'm now sitting at my desk doing work. It's the last day of the work week. It's Friday, but I'm just sitting here feeling so grateful that I had such an amazing birthday. It was such a great day yesterday. What had happened was I had finished eating dinner with Christian, and then I guess he had been coordinating with my friends to do like a surprise video chat. And we used the app House Party to play some games. So he had it set up on his phone and I kind of like looked away. I was texting my brother actually. And so I wasn't paying attention, and then all of a sudden he put his phone in my face and my friends were on the screen and we were about to play games. So it was just really sweet and a nice surprise. I was like so confused. I didn't know what was going on because I had no idea. And all of a sudden my friends were in my face. So it was really cute. And then FaceTimed my parents and they sang happy birthday to me and had candles on my cake, and it was just super nice. My cake ended up turning out really cute. I had so much fun making it and decorating it. It was like a little art project for me. I was a little bit worried that it wasn't gonna be cute, but it actually turned out so cute. So I'm happy with it. My heart is just so full. Thank you to my friends and family that made my day so special and made me feel very loved, and also to all of you that wished me a happy birthday. I really, really appreciate all of your sweet messages from the bottom of my heart, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!